In this video, I'm going to show you how you can convert a task into a subtask. So if you had a separate task, but you'd like to go ahead and move that task to be under another task, you can just go ahead and convert it into a subtask. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so I have here this task 2 and I have task 3. I also have task 5 here. However, I'd like to go ahead and place task 3 under task 2. To do that, just go ahead and hover over the task that you wish to convert into a subtask like that, and then go ahead and choose this option, convert to subtask. Now if you click on this, you'll have to go ahead and choose the task you want this task to be under. So for my case, I want it to be under task 2, so I'll click task 2, and now that task has been moved under task 2. So if I go to task 2, now you can see we have task 3 under task 2. So that's how you can convert a task into a subtask in ClickUp. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.